Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to set up your Rabby wallet. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, what is Rabby wallet? Rabby wallet is a very powerful wallet for Ethereum and other EVM compatible chains like Optimism, Base, Binance chain, and many more. It's so easy to use, okay? This guide will help you to get started, downloading it, setting it up, how to send, receive, and swap crypto, okay? So the first step is to download the wallet either from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have. So I've just downloaded mine. Now let's set it up. I'll just click open. So guys, since this is your first time, you just click create a new wallet, and your wallet is ready. Next is to click set wallet. Do you want to allow? Not allow. Let's input passcode. So once you're here, the next step is to back up our wallet, okay? Let's click on this backup now. So you could see that we have two options, okay? iCloud backup and manual backup. Let's click manual backup, as that's the safest method, okay? Verify and backup. So guys, since we've clicked that, now grab your notebook or diary and write down your seed phrase. Avoid taking a screenshot or saving it on your Gmail. Make sure you're writing it down in the exact same order and double check the spelling, okay? So once you've written down those words, click this. I've saved the seed phrase. And congratulations, you've got your first wallet ready, okay? So guys, you could see various features now. Our focus is going to be on the elementary ones for now. We have the swap feature, we have the send feature, the receive, and the bridge feature, okay? So guys, the swap feature is responsible for trading one type of crypto for a different type directly inside your wallet. So you could see that you could swap USDC for Ethereum by clicking on this drop down arrow. You just click on, let's say, USDC. You then swap from ETH to USDC. Right here, you input the amount of ETH you wish to swap. Let's say you wish to swap to Ethereum. You just type in 2. You then scroll downwards and click swap, okay? And then the next feature is the bridge feature. Let's head back. So the bridge feature right here, it's responsible for moving your crypto from one network to a completely different network, like moving your funds from Ethereum chain to Base chain, okay? You just choose your from. Let's say you are bridging from Base chain, you click on Base chain, and if you are bridging to, let's say, BNB, you just click BNB chain, and then you'll be able to bridge from Base to BNB chain, okay guys? And then the next features are the swap, the send and the receive feature, okay? So guys, the send or the receive feature, this is just the normal send and receive stuff. The receive button shows your wallet's address or QR code to someone else so that person can send crypto to you, okay? So if for instance we are sending crypto we are receiving crypto rather, we just click on this receive option, and then we click on select wallet to receive. We click on all EVM chain to select the network. Let's say it's BNB chain. We just click BNB chain. We then copy this particular address since we are receiving crypto. So once we copy this address, we head to the wallet we are withdrawing that crypto from. So let's say I'm withdrawing it from Penny Wallet. This is my Penny Wallet right here. So assuming I'm sending our USDT, I'll just click USDT. Remember, it's on the MEXC chain. So let's click our send. So remember that address we copied, right? We just paste it right here. Allow paste. Let's take and send. Then you select the asset you are withdrawing. So I'm withdrawing USDT. I'll click on tether. I understand. So you now input the amount you wish to withdraw. So you just click send. Guys, okay, something went wrong. This could be a network glitch or something. So just follow this exact process and I assure you that your asset will drop in your Rabby wallet. So let's head back. And if you wish to send crypto, you just click on the send option and then paste in the recipient address right here. Assuming you are sending it to your Penny wallet, you just head to your Penny wallet and copy your, let's say, our BNB address. You just click on receive right here. You then click on copy address. You then head back to your Rabby wallet and then you paste it right here. So once you paste, you just click confirm and your assets will be sent to your Penny wallet. Okay guys, that's basically Rabby wallet in a nutshell. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.